How to add an end screen at the end of any particular video. So hey guys, if you also want to add the thumbnails of other videos at the end of any particular YouTube video, then this video is for you. So basically in this video we will be covering how you can add other videos at the end of any YouTube video that you might have seen in many channels. So let us dig into the same. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube Studios application or website. So since currently I am in a web browser, I'm gonna click onto my profile icon at the top right, and from here simply choose YouTube Studio. This will land me into the YouTube Studio website. Now we need to find that particular video onto which we will be adding the end screen. So to do that, click onto the content tab at the extreme left, and from here choose that particular video. So for example, let's say if I want to add the end screen onto this video, I need to hover my cursor over it and click onto this details option with the pencil icon. So click over it, and then from here you need to scroll down until you see the end screen button. Click onto this button and it will open the end screens interface. Now to add the end screen of two separate videos, you need to choose this particular option. Simply choose here and it will open an interface like this. Now you can choose to adjust the position of these video thumbnails according to your wish, or you may let them remain like default. So for example, let's say I want to go with this particular layout. So once you have decided the layout, you need to choose the videos that will go into these placeholders. So currently it is set to the most recent upload, which will automatically feature the most recently uploaded long-term video. Or if you don't want the automatic videos, or you want to choose a specific video, you can simply click on this button and choose the video that you want to feature from this list. So for example, I want to feature say this video. So here you can see for this placeholder this video has been added, and the same I can do for this particular placeholder as well. So if I want to add a video, what I can do is simply choose the specific video option again and choose the video. So for example, let's say this video. Now we are done with adding the thumbnails and the videos. Now the next thing you may define is the amount of time for which these placeholders will be visible at the end of the video. So if you want to change the timing, you can do so using this particular toggle. So you can check if it is not overlapping with any content. Or if you want to change the time, what you can do is simply use these arrows to change the time. So for example, let's say I want this to start at 8:25. So I'm gonna place it at 8:25, and then I'm gonna do the same with this placeholder as well. So now the video will run continuously till 8:25, and the placeholders will only appear after that time. Then once you are done with all these configurations, simply click on this save button and your changes will be saved. So now let us view them in the original video. So let us open this video on YouTube, and now if I move the time and fast forward it, and here you can see that in the video, just as the video hit 8:25, I can see these two video thumbnails using which I can redirect to any video of my choice. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to drop a like, do comment in the video and tell us if this worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.